पत्र इस प्रकार है। मैं द्रौपदी मुर्मू, भारत की राष्ट्रपति, भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 155 द्वारा मुझ में निहित की गई शक्ति के आधार पर इसके द्वारा श्री रमेन डेका को उस तारीख से छत्तीसगढ़ का राज्यपाल नियुक्त करती हूँ जिस तारीख को वह अपने पद का कार्यभार ग्रहण करते हैं। भारत गणराज्य के 75वें वर्ष में आज सन 2024 ईस्वी के जुलाई मास के 27वें दिन 5 श्रावण 1940 शक राष्ट्रपति भवन नई दिल्ली में दिया गया। हस्ताक्षर द्रौपदी मुर्मू, भारत की राष्ट्रपति। By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 155 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, hereby appoint Shri Raman Deka to be the Governor of Chhattisgarh with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 27th day of July in the year 2024, 5th Shravan 1946 Shaka, in the 75th year of the Republic of India, signed Draupadi Murmu, President of India. माननीय मुख्य न्यायाधीश महोदय, आपके कृपया मनोनीत राज्यपाल महोदय को शपथ ग्रहण कराएं।
Do swear in the name of God
Raman Deka do swear in the name of God
that I will faithfully execute the office of Governor of Chhattisgarh,
that I will faithfully execute the office of Governor of Chhattisgarh
and will do the best of my ability preserve,
and will do the best of my ability preserve,
protect and defend the Constitution and the law,
protect and defend the Constitution and the law,
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Chhattisgarh,
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Chhattisgarh. Namaskar. Today I am very happy to be Governor of Chhattisgarh. I will see that Chhattisgarh will march ahead to be a developing state, and for that I will work as a mediator in between government of Chhattisgarh and central government. I wish my all best wishes to the people of Chhattisgarh because we have a long relation with Chhattisgarh in Assam. During these British days, a lot of people went to Assam and they still live with us. They have now indigenous Kilonjia. So they have a great contribution in tea industry and other industry. So our cultural relation will grow. I will try my level best to grow the broader cultural relation, and we have same problems. I will try to understand this thing first: geopolitical situation, demography, geography. Then I will express my views in various subjects. Now this much only. Thank you.